In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the auto video memory trying to allocate a texture error in Fortnite. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the search bar and type system and open the system control panel. Once you click on it, click on advanced system settings and click on settings under performance. Now go to the advanced tab and click on change under virtual memory. Now uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Click on custom size and set the initial size to around 8000 or 10,000. It depends on how big your hard drive is. So for example, if you have a 500 gigabytes hard drive, I would recommend setting this to around 8000 megabytes, that is 8 gigabytes. And if you have a 1 terabyte hard drive, then you can just set it at around 10,000 megabytes and set the maximum size to 25,000 to 30,000 megabytes. I'm gonna set it to 30,000 megabytes, and that is around 30 gigabytes. And once you set it, you can click on set, click on OK, and click on OK again. Click on OK, and you can now just close the system control panel app. And if that didn't work, then you can also try updating your drivers, and you can do that by clicking on the link in the description. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, click on the NVIDIA link and click on automatic driver updates, click on download, and this will download the GeForce Experience app, which is pretty useful, and it basically automatically downloads and installs new drivers. If you have an AMD graphics card, go to the AMD site, scroll to the bottom and click on download now where it says auto detect and install Radeon graphics drivers for Windows. And if you have an Intel graphics card, click on automatically update your drivers, click on get started, and then click on download now so you can download the Intel driver and support assistant. And once you download the Intel, AMD or NVIDIA drivers for your graphics card, what you want to do is just restart your PC and open Fortnite. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped, and comment if it didn't, and I'm gonna try and help you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and bye.